So this short video will show you how to sign up for edpuzzle.com as a student. So to begin with, when you go to edpuzzle.com, you're going to click the sign up button, and then you're going to click I am a student. You'll be prompted to put in a first name, last name, username, and password. And a password. And when you're all done, you hit sign up. Now the students at this point will have a blank page. They're going to join a class. You will give them a code provided. So for the class that I've set up for this, the class code is BURECJO. And it's a temporary class, so when they should see the teacher's name, the class, hit join, and you're set to go.